Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the trending heart photo in Heartopia. So this is like a really cute photo op that you can do. You're just going to go to this area or any area that has like the heart like fence, not really, I don't know, like this pillar. So this is where I am on the map. It is like near the jump puzzle. So you're just going to want to walk here and you're just going to set it so like it's facing this way, like that. I want it facing a little bit like this. And you're just going to position the like camera a bit like this. Then you're just going to want to get your camera out. You can kind of adjust the like placement of it again before you take a photo. And then you're just going to want to take a picture, and voila, that is it. It's super cute and super easy as well, and you get a super cute result like this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Sorry, that distracted me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.